How to change music on Instagram post after posting, 2026. Want to change the music on your Instagram post after posting it? Maybe you picked the wrong song or found a better track later. In this guide, I'll show you exactly what works in 2026. If this helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, here's the important truth. Instagram currently does not allow you to directly edit or replace music on a post after it has already been published. Once a photo post or carousel with music is live, the music is locked and there is no Change Music button inside the edit menu. This is different from stories and reels. For regular Instagram posts, the only real method is deleting or archiving the old post and reposting it with new music. Now let me show you the best way to do it. First, open the Instagram app and go to the post where you want to change the music. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. You'll see options like Edit, Archive, and Delete. If you tap Edit, you'll notice there is no option to change the music. That confirms Instagram still doesn't support direct music editing. Second, save your original photo or carousel images. If the original photos are already in your gallery, that's perfect. If not, take a screenshot or save them so you're ready to repost the same content. Third, copy your caption. Tap the three dots again, choose Edit, then press and hold your caption text. Select All and tap Copy. This saves your original caption so you don't have to write it again. Fourth, remember your hashtags and tagged people. If you used hashtags or tagged friends, brands, or clients, make sure to note them down or take a screenshot so you can add them back later. Fifth, choose between Archive or Delete. If you want a safer option first,